Equities down and down hard. Thursday was the biggest drop since '87. Friday, the biggest pop since '08. And guess what? We're back down with futures limit down going into the cash open. There's your equity market. Switch up the board in the bond market. Treasury shaping up as follows. Yields come in 20 basis points following the emergency Fed cut. 0.75% is your yield on a 10-year. Euro dollar just starting to roll over as the session grows older, but that euro strength still in the mix with euro dollar at 111.24. And in the commodity market, 28 handle on WTI. Very briefly, a 29 handle on Brent crude. It is vicious out there. In the equity market, we open up with the S&P 500 down around about 8%, and that is where we will pause now for around about 15 minutes. We'll open back up. Your next circuit breaker will be around about 13% lower. We'll get to that in just a moment. Let's get to the market desk, shall we? With Bloomberg's Kailey Leinz, Anne-Marie Horden and Taylor Riggs. Kailey, let's begin with you and get to some of those levels, shall we, as we open up down 8% this Monday morning.
Yep, 30 seconds into the cash open, John, and we will not see another trade for 15 minutes. As you just mentioned, the S&P 500 opening lower by more than 8%. Of course, that greater than the 7% level that triggers the level 1 circuit breaker. That means we will not trade again until 9:45. We will see if we can come off of those lows. Same for the Dow and the NASDAQ, which are down by nearly 10% and about 6% apiece. If we do not come off those lows, John, the next level to watch for, if we continue to see levels of losses extend, is 13%. That will trigger the level 2 circuit breaker. We will halt again for 15 minutes. And then we will have to keep a careful eye on the equity action throughout the day, because if we do indeed hit a 20% decline at any point in the day, the trading day is over. We will halt trading for the remainder of the day, John.